Hello guys. So this meet is we will have information about how to create an account in uh, lands that is USGS United States Geographical Survey. So first you have to search for USGS Earth Explorer. So then we'll get a link like this USGS Earth Explorer. So you just have to click that. Then you'll get an interface like this. So at the top right, so first of all, for downloading any data, you should log in this. So for to log in, you should create an account. So click here for the login, then you'll get an option like a sign in. At bottom, you'll have to create new account. So if you click that, you'll get username and password to create. So for username, you should have a one alphabetical letter, one period, and underscore. So like one uh, underscore. Then you should have at least password should be at least 12 characters. And then continue. So it will ask like this, in what sector do you work? So academic institution. So are you working on behalf of US federal agency? No. Which of the following characterizes you as a user of remotely sensed data from the USGS? It is end user. And do you work use remotely sensed data from the USGS? Yes. And how much it is operational work? So you can operational work percentage, it could be 60 or 7, whatever it may be. You can have on your own dependence how much data you will download from the land side. So you can put it as 70. So what's the primary application for which have you used the remotely sensor data communication pass? Select for the primary usage, you can select uh, you can use the education university or college. So in addition to the primary application, in what are the areas you have used the remotely sensor data from USGS in the past year? So I have not used it in other areas. So other application here you can click that or over the next step apply for how much the remote sensing data you acquire from USGS can you distribute to others to users opposed to using it yourself. So this might be none of the data because to users opposed to using it yourself under probably you can choose a none of the data or the next step how important will free and open access to remotely sensor data from USGS due to conducting of it could be very important. Continue to contact information. So then this will get, so you can type your name, first name, last name, and company. You type your just uh, college name. So, Children University of so it's not taking much character, so then you will also get T. So you just give the address, say, Himad, country will go with India. City is so like state, one again. This is 504,107. So then you type your email. So if you have an alternate email, please give that and you give the number, save contact information. Admin. So it should not content like commerce. Yes. So contact information. We will get like this, like your user information, contact information, demographic information, and then you have to submit your registration. So after the submission, see registration submitted, check your email for the confirmation message. Click the link in the email to activate the account and complete the registration process. If you do not receive an email, please check your spam folder. So see, this link is valid for 5 years. So then you have to go and check your mail whether you got an email regarding the USGS create an account. Anything. Yes, I got a registration confirmation. So to complete the registration process, you must click the link to activate your account. So click the link to activate and enter the username what you have typed. So, uh, and just submit. Don't forget your username and password. It's most important. And the user successfully confirmed, then we can log in again. Your username and password. You have to sign in. So you'll get this one. So you successfully log in. See your username, application tokens, and all the rules. Log it will be login session. So from this, uh, you have all the things that you can have. You can change your password, profile home, contact information, and all this. Then you go to profile home and so click first, access request, then please use the request access option to say list of additional ES rules. So then you click go to access request, then request access, select access to e-missions to mission interface. You do have mission-based APIs. I understand. So if you need a request to use these machine interface, then you have to add them required purpose. So whatever purpose you're having primary purpose and what type of data sets required, like dataset 5, 7, 9, or Sentinel data. And what are the data products you require, and what are the scene you have, scripting capabilities. So when you are very good at like machine learning and all the things, you can go with this without having any description we cannot use, so we can cancel it. So now what you will do is just log out from here, and then we'll move to again we'll click USGS at explorer. So now we can download our data after signing option. So we just log into this. So name, I password, sign. So let's go. We did sign in option. Yes, we signed into the USGS Earth Explorer. So first of all, we need a data for our study area or for any classification. We need data. So you can see an option search criteria. You can search your options is select a geo encoding method. So from this you have feature GNS or address or path or place address or place or path or route. If you know the your scene ID, scene means whenever satellite collects the data, so it have a separate scenes. It collects by scenes. It captures every scene. It clicks like every feature on the earth like a scene. So it has some path and row like column and row and column. It has its individual number for each row and each column. So from this time, we will go with address of place, type Hyderabad. show Hyderabad. You have the coordinates of the Hyderabad. Click here. So then you will go to the coordinates. For this, for any, whenever you are downloading any data, it should be cloud free. So data range, select your data range. Suppose if it is 23 August, I'm going to select data of January 20 to 2023 of January 1st to 2023 of January 31st. So I'm collecting one particular month data, a particular day. So first of all, I want data, it should be from cloud free. So I select my cloud should be 0%. So then results option. Then I'll go to data sets. So for the data sets, like what type of data you require. So for digital maps, you go with the digital maps. Like you click the press symbol, you get the national atlas. For AVHRR, for digital elevations, you can go these maps. For accuracy, you can use these maps. And then we'll have for the digital elevation models, like elevation maps, you have digital elevation. In these digital elevation, you have different types of platform where you can get the maps. And next we have like digital line graphs, global fiducials, SAMM, ICR, uh, and we have the aerial imagery. So for your study area, most of the people use Landsat data. So these Landsat have like see this Landsat will have Landsat collection to DM, Landsat C2 atmospheric auxiliary data, Landsat collection to level 1, collection to level 2, and analysis ready data, collection to level 3 science product. So basically, people use this collection to level 2 and collection to level 1. So for your purpose, you can use both of the data. So in this, you have the C Landsat 1 to 5, and Landsat 4 to 5, Landsat 7, Landsat 8, 9. So this MSS is multispectral sensor, TM is thematic mapper, ETM uh, enhancer thematic mapper plus collection to 11 bar and OLI operate this is operational land imager and thermal infrared sensor. So you can have any data. So if you click Landsat 8 and 9 images, so you will get additional criteria. And then so if you have any knowledge about the path and what the row have. So if I am going to have a study area of Hyderabad, its path is 148, row is 44, I guess. So let's see what will the path and go. So see, you have get the data like this. So this is the satellite data we get, which has a 0% cloud cover. So path is 144, row is 48. So we can see the this is a footprint of the data where you can see. And this you will get whether the data has something or not. See, this is the data. It's a cloud free, no clouds on the data. And this second data, so same image of different date. This shows the 2023 11th January. This is 19th January. So from you can see whether the data has how much cloud process. You show metadata and browse. You can click that, and you will have the scene like this. And see, you can see all the details with time, date acquired, collection category, collection number, path is 144, row is 48, and you can roll angle, cloud cover percentage. See, you can see 0.06, and what's the start time, stop time of the satellite. You can see all the ground control points are elevation. This will be used for your while see UTM zone of the Hyperbyte is 44, datum user is the World Geodetic Survey 84. Ellipsoid is also WGS 84. So these parameters will help you in your project because so to download data, just click these download option. Here the download options, and then so if you want particular band, so go to product options. So if you need only see most of the people require the band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the bands, and most of the have people have txt file and uh, and this ANG file because they have the metadata information. Or else if you want complete data set, you can download the data product from this here. So like this, you can download and have the data products, or else you can download CG, natural color data or thermal quality natural color data. You can download any of the data. These are like JPEG or GeoTIFF files where you can visualize the data in QGIS or ArcGIS for your classification. So this is registration for USGS. and how to download the data. Thank you.